Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Algebra 2 Regents. To begin, it's essential to understand the exam structure and the specific topics it covers. This will help you pinpoint areas where you need more focus. Next, assess your current knowledge to identify your personal strengths and weaknesses. Finally, develop a realistic study schedule, dedicating a consistent amount of time each week to ensure thorough preparation and build confidence for the exam. A solid understanding of core Algebra 2 topics is crucial for success. Focus on mastering different types of functions, such as polynomial, exponential, and logarithmic, understanding their graphs and properties. Dedicate time to solving complex equations and inequalities, utilizing techniques like factoring, quadratic formula, and substitution. Don't forget to review sequences, series, and probability, as these often appear on the exam, contributing significantly to your overall score. Consistent practice is key to improving your problem-solving skills. Start by working through past Algebra 2 Regents exams, simulating actual test conditions to manage your time effectively. After each practice test, carefully review all your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to learn from your mistakes. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for clarification on difficult concepts or problems. Collaborative learning can be incredibly beneficial for everyone involved. As the exam approaches, consolidate your knowledge by creating a summary sheet of essential formulas and concepts. On the day before, prioritize getting at least 8 hours of sleep and eating a nutritious meal to ensure you are well rested and focused. During the exam, read every question thoroughly, paying close attention to details. Remember to show all your work clearly, even for multiple-choice questions, as partial credit can be awarded for correct steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.